This is the house that we clean for our owner who is gonna put the house on the market. And the first thing that we put is the oven cleaner, as I mentioned the previous night that I make a video about the preparation, how we're gonna do this house. Even though we did most of the things that I wrote down, you never know what's gonna happen, right? I'm gonna tell you how we tackle this property. I put the toilet cleaner first and let it sit. That's the two things that I always do first. The kitchen area, especially the stove, and then I ask Sonia to spray AL Awesome mixed with peroxide inside the spray bottle. The shower was greasy, the bottom was a lot of grease, so that helped us a little bit, okay, not that much, but because it was a lot of grease stuff, soap scum, mineral deposits, but it helped me a little bit. So the products that I used in the shower at the beginning was the A also plus peroxide in the spray bottom, but then because the soap scum was really heavy, I use, especially for the bottom part, I use Vengeance. That's an acidic product by Sagers, but I don't want to spray that product because it damaged the metal, so I just use it for the bottom part of the house. Then I used my pink cleaner in the shower glass. The shower glass has heavy mineral deposits, so I spray my pink product and then I scrub with the wool soap or wool sponge, right? That's the pink product. And we have, well, I have to let it sit and use a little bit of makeup brush to remove all the grime. It was disgusting, for real. I have to use a blade to remove the mineral deposit on the shower glass because it's so heavy that even the product won't remove that. Some people don't realize how bad is the shower. You are not only dealing with grease, but with soap scum and mineral deposits. For grease and soap scum, you need to use a really good degreaser, and for mineral deposit, you have to use an acidic product. The faucet in the bathroom was really baked with mineral deposit, so I put some in the product, the Ultimate Cal Cleaner. That's an acid free. This product is kind of expensive, but I use it just in certain occasions. I didn't want to use any kind of heavy acidic product that it will remove fast, but I can have the option to damage the stainless steel faucet. So that's the reason why I put that product, especially because this client wants to put in the market the house and I don't want to ruin nothing. A lot of things to do in this house. This client called me 4 months ago. I went to his house 4 months ago. And for real, I almost forgot how was the condition of the house. And beside that, 4 months ago that they still taking a shower, right? And this house had a lot of mineral deposit, soap gone all over the place in the shower and sinks. You cannot see in the video, but a lot of things. It takes a lot of time for me to clean the bathroom. At the beginning, we spray the product that will help us to speed the process, and then I put with the makeup brush the product called Clean to try to help me. This is the after we clean the master bathroom. Yeah, I remember. So pretty right now. I think that Sonia filming. I don't know in which part of I'm adding that part in this video, but what she was filming when I use a razor blade. And when you are using a razor blade, you have to use it in just one direction. You're gonna be tempted to use in both directions to remove the calcium stick on the glass, but just using in one direction. I don't know if I'm adding that part in this video. Sometimes it's hard for us to edit video. It takes a lot of time. Yesterday we came really late and I was exhausted. I did the remix though, but I didn't put any audio. Today I'm done. I finished my 2 other clients in the morning. I'm recording right now. In the meantime, I'm seeing the video. You can see the finish of the job was excellent, for real. This Ultimate Tank Clean by Advance is really good. Expensive, but I like it. I have 2 other gallons in my garage. It sticks really well into the surface. It's not liquidy. It's like more Milky Way. Also, I use that in the kitchen area, in the sink. The sink, I didn't record everything because it's complicated. But in the sink, we spread it with the makeup brush. And because it's no acidic, this product, it won't damage at all. It doesn't have any kind of fumes. That's another reason why I really like it. The difference between any other company, or I don't know how they work, but I see previous job of other companies when I go to clean other houses, and the finish of the job is not that good. The surface can be clean, but the finish, I don't know how to explain that. When we do a job, the finish is really good, and when we do a deep cleaning, move in, move out, depending of the client, of course, because everybody doesn't have the power, the economic basis, the wallet to pay for really good service, So the clients that request a good service, they appreciate that we take care of the surface, and they appreciate the final, I don't know how to say. It looks so good, comparing how it was, it looks so good. Well, in that job, we also do carpets. So we have to do the whole house, plus carpets, plus tile. In this moment, we use the little vapor steamer that is especially to remove the stain from the carpet. I didn't put any kind of product on the carpet, just plain water in the machine, and with a white cloth I was working out the stain to do the transfer. That's the soil extraction transfer technique, right? Using a vapor steamer. That vapor steamer, I consider that is one of the best. I have plenty and different types, right? But this for removing the stains is really good. Do the transfer, excellent. So you work it out with a white towel from the outside, pushing into the inside. You don't want to spread the products. And the carpet, we decide to do encapsulation. And we use Sager's 2X Encap double strength. And I put in the video I was talking about that the gallon says heavy from 4 to 6 ounces per gallon. My big container have 2.5 gallons, so I pour 12 ounces of gallon. Why we decide to do end cap instead of using the truck mount? So for many reasons. The house had furniture. The people didn't move yet. The house is now empty. They are living there. They are walking on the carpets. They are putting boxes away. They are moving stuff. So I really don't want to use a water extraction. Another factor that I didn't want to use the truck mount is because I didn't have a lot of help yesterday. Sonia and me was the one who did the whole house. It was a full deep cleaning top to bottom plus carpet and tile. And I didn't want to bring all the hoses. And another factor is that the client told me that it's gonna rain soon. So I decided to pull in my Phoenix Trinity OP oxidation pad. And I spread the NCAP 2X by Sager's scrub with the champagne that you see on the floor. Then I pass another pass with the blue one, and then I dry with the white cotton pad. It was a really good carpet. Some traffic areas, but most of the carpet was in good shape. We vacuum. We didn't record, but we vacuum with our Warhorse or previous Amway, and that machine is heavy but pulls a lot of soil from the carpet, and it's crucial to vacuum before doing any kind of treatment for the carpet. So we vacuum really good. I asked Sonia to vacuum. The way we do it is, in the meantime that we were doing the master bathroom, I was doing the master bathroom. It took me like a lot. Sonia was doing the master bedroom, starting dusting, blinds, windows, vacuum under the bed, a lot of vacuum. And when she vacuums first the corners with a backpack and a special tool for the corners. Then she vacuums with a regular vacuum. I'm showing you right now that the dirty pads I'm putting in the container, so the owner will. I showed the owner how dirty was the carpet, and then we rake. So we want to dry fast the carpet. The carpet, as I mentioned before, is a gray color. I didn't use any peroxide on the carpet. I used the product by Sager, not the oxy one, because I didn't want to put any kind of oxy on that carpet, but the regular 2X double strength red coat for NCAP. And then we rake the carpet. That was something that I picked up. Good. The owner was impressed with our job. It took a while. We spent so many hours for real. Please don't ask me how many hours. And you won't believe it if I tell you. It was tough, because in the master bedroom and all the house, the windows was dusty, and beside the windows, the blinds, something that you cannot dust with the swifter. You have to do the whole procedure when the dust is stick on the blinds. First of all, you have to use a backpack and a little brush. I think that I have a video later where Sonia was dusting with the vacuum. But the dust on the blinds was really stick. So after vacuum, she wiped with some degreaser, but she cannot leave it like that because you're gonna see the blinds wet. So you have to use another cloth to dry. It's a process. I asked Sonia to record a little bit of the job. She just recorded 3 things. One thing is she was brushing the window sills. She opened the windows, all windows though, and she removed all the dust and vacuumed with the backpack. Another thing that she recorded was the blinds that I was talking about. She used the backpack with the little brush to vacuum, and you cannot see that well. And then a degreaser cloth and another cloth to wipe. The last thing that we did is the kitchen area, and at that moment I didn't have battery in my cell phone. It was dead. Besides that, I was so tired. She was so tired that I didn't record the tile. It was sad because if I recorded, it was a really good video. The tile was corrugated, and we didn't have enough time because it was already late to scrub each line. So I decided to put tsunami spray. I'm sorry that is backwards. I cannot do nothing about it. And spray the product tsunami on the tile in the kitchen and let it sit for like more than 30 minutes. In the meantime, Sonia was doing the blinds in the kitchen and the window, and she was finished the top kitchen cabinets, all kitchen cabinets. The product that I used in cleaning the kitchen cabinet was the brand is Clorox cleaner with bleach, really good. The cabinet was black, white, so that product helped us a lot. Well, I was talking about the kitchen area, right? The kitchen area, it was the tile corrugated, and the Sager sauce was amazing. We didn't have enough time to steam cleaning all the grout lines, but we used our CRV. Our CRV with the brush with tile did an amazing job. I was really sad that I didn't record nothing, but sometimes you have to understand that we don't have time to record. Something happened, we get involved in cleaning, but the most important part is that the owners was impressed of our job. It took us so many hours, for real. We were so tired, but even the client thank us and give us plenty of water. The wife give us like 5-6 bottles of water. Every time she was asking, "Are you okay? Do you want more water?" And he was impressed. He was grateful for hiring us, and he even give us $50 as a tip. Well, this is a short video of the remix. I hope you like it, and I hope that this is a really good information for you. Enjoy the rest of the video that is like in 51 more seconds. You can reach us at 407-572-4118. This is the Beauty Pass. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from Any House Cleaning and Sonia. anyhousecleaning.com.